Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Python 3.4 is an older version of the Python programming language, and many advancements have been made since then. However, if you are specifically working with Python 3.4 and want to create a simple application that uses a for loop to iterate and increment with the help of a button, this tutorial will guide you through the process. Note that modern Python versions may have more efficient ways to accomplish this, but this example is tailored to Python 3.4. In this tutorial, we'll use the Tkinter library for creating a basic graphical user interface, GUI, and a for loop to perform an action when a button is clicked. Step 1. Setting up your environment. Before you begin, make sure you have Python 3.4 installed on your computer. You'll also need the Tkinter library, which is included in the standard library of Python 3.4. No additional installations are required. Step 2. Creating the Python script. Create a Python script, and let's name it loop_with_button.py. You can use any text editor or integrated development environment, IDE, of your choice. In this script, we'll create a simple GUI with a button that increments a counter when clicked. Step 3. Explanation of the code. We import the Tkinter library as tk. We create the main application window using tk. We create a label, counter_label, to display the counter, initialize a counter variable, and pack the label into the window. We define a function increment_counter that updates the counter and the label's text when called. We create a button, increment_button, with the text increment and set its command to be the increment_counter function. Finally, we start the main event loop with root.mainLoop, which keeps the GUI running and responsive. Step 4. Running the script. Save the script, and execute it using Python 3.4. You should see a window with a counter label and an increment button. When you click the increment button, the counter should increase by 1 each time you click it. This tutorial demonstrates a basic example of using a for loop with a button in Python 3.4. Depending on your specific use case, you can extend this example and incorporate more complex logic. If you're using a more recent version of Python, consider using updated libraries and best practices for GUI development. ChatGPT.